Hello traders. Welcome back to Trade Talks, your go-to channel for the latest market insights. Today is August 30th, 2024, and we're diving deep into the Bank Nifty's market trend. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just getting started, this analysis will help you make informed decisions. So, let's get started. Market overview. Let's start with a quick look at the broader market context. The Indian markets have been relatively steady this week, with global cues and domestic developments shaping the trend. The market sentiment has been cautious, with traders keeping an eye on the upcoming RBI policy meeting. Bank Nifty performance recap. Bank Nifty has shown resilience this week, maintaining a steady upward trend without any major declines. On Monday, August 26, 2024, the index opened on a positive note and continued to build momentum throughout the week. Supported by strong performances from major banking stocks like ICICI Bank. Key levels and technical analysis. Now, let's get into the technicals. Bank Nifty closed yesterday approximately 51,200. The index is currently trading above its 20-day moving average, which is a bullish sign. The immediate support level are around 50,800 to 51,000. While the resistance is expected in the range of 51,275 to 51,375. If Bank Nifty breaks above this resistance, we could see further upside potential. However, if it fails to hold above support, a short-term pullback might occur. Indicators to watch. Several key indicators are showing positive signals. The RSI, Relative Strength Index, is currently at 53. Indicating that the index is in a healthy range. The MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, also shows a bullish crossover, suggesting that the upward momentum could continue. Sectoral impact and bank performances. In terms of sectoral performance, private banks have been the main drivers of Bank Nifty's gains this week. ICICI Bank has been particularly strong, contributing significantly to the index's rise. On the other hand, public sector banks have seen more subdued gains, with traders focusing on the upcoming economic data for further direction. Global cues continue to play a role in shaping the market sentiment. The stability in the US markets, coupled with positive economic data, has provided some support to the banking sector. Prediction and strategy. So, what's the strategy for today? With the current bullish momentum, intraday traders might look for breakouts above 51,275 for a buying opportunity. On the downside, a break below 51,000 could signal a short-term correction. For swing traders, maintaining a cautious bullish stance with tight stop losses might be the way to go. That wraps up our analysis for Bank Nifty on August 30th, 2024. Stay tuned for more daily updates and in-depth market analysis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trade Talks. Hit the bell icon to stay notified of our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and happy trading. Remember, the stock market is filled with opportunities, but it's also important to manage your risks. See you in the next video.